How to respond to positive reviews. Responding to a positive review means seizing an opportunity to celebrate your loyal customers. Not responding means you're missing out. 1. Say thank you. It's not just about having good manners. It's also about showing appreciation for the fact that a customer took the time to share his or her positive experience with your product or service. 2. Reinforce the positive. What did the customer like best about his or her experience with you? Recognize it. Then confirm it again in your response. This way, you get to build buzz not only about a general brand name or business, you also get to hype up a specific product, service, or feature being offered. 3. Pass on the positive feedback. If the customer has mentioned specific team members that made their experience great, let them know. You're the link that connects your customers to the staff who might not even realize they've made someone's day. Reviews in social media are about being, social. So listen and respond when your customers are talking. To find out what your customers are saying, visit reviewtrackers.com.